Hey, we're on Suntanner, and we're gonna let them rip. It's really hard to see the snow. I have a feeling it's on my camera because it's already on my goggles. And I'll tell you what, it's an interesting day. Boy, I'll tell you, I don't know how they're seeing up top because yeah, look at my face. I mean, you can't. I'm only doing half.
Right.
That's all right. Yeah, it's just covering you.